Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tasha Lewis Jane, but my Vibe Tribe calls me the TLJ. Today is an unboxing day. I've wanted this bag for the last 6 months when I first saw it, and it is, Bonnie has decided to join us. She's interested in it as well. The Coach Empire, and they're calling it wine burgundy. So, I have wanted this bag for the last 6 months, and finally, I get to unbox it with you. So, clearly, she's very much interested in, in the Coach, in the Coach Empire bag. So, this bag came out, about 6 months ago, and it has been sold out for months. And then it was for Bleep in December. It was available, and then it immediately came sold out. And for that Bleep, I hesitated for about an hour, and then when I decided to go ahead and go for it, it was sold out. And so I have been stalking the Coach site and finally it came available, I think Wednesday. And so it arrived today. And so let's go ahead and let's do it. I waited and waited to do this with the Vibe Tribe. So let's go ahead and let's open her. Let's go ahead and let's open her and see what I have been waiting for. So this, and she's nice and sealed. Comes with a thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It's tied in a nice bow. I think somebody that used to do nautical ties did this thing. Oh, wow. And here she is. Oh, wow. Been waiting for her. Waiting to have her available. And here she is. Well, they really... Pretty sure that they have every little... She's huge. Protecting the bottom. Very nice. The color, absolutely. She is fantastic. I'm sorry. I'm literally sitting here in silence unstuffing this bag. And here she is. Just slouchy enough. Oh, I can fit my laptop in here. She'll definitely be one of the bags I use to travel. Or actually, not even just travel in my everyday life. She is solid. Now, the only thing that in my haste, in my zeal, to get her was forgetting to get her monogrammed. So, I'll have to go into one of the Coach stores and get her monogrammed, eventually. Because I love a good monogram. But yes, they are definitely all about protecting this bag, in travel. It came pristine. And it is huge. She is hefty. She is weighty. Mm. Wow. Absolutely fabulous. I'm so excited to have her. I know everybody's moved on to the giant coin purse. It took 6 months to get this. I'm not moving on to the coin purse. This was, I needed a last of my favorite color, one last item. So the burgundy items that I do have, this was the last, I needed a travel bag. So this was the last burgundy leather bag that I needed. I have hobo, I have clutches. So this was the last, and so say hello to the newest member. I have a looking off to the side of bag shelf. The newest member for the bag shelf is the Coach Empire Soft. This is a 40. So very excited to welcome her to the Louis Jean family. I will definitely walk with her, use her for the next week, and definitely give a review. But all the reviews that I've read on her have been very positive. So she has a shoulder strap, and she can be used as a top handle, and she will definitely be a travel bag, as well as an everyday bag, because I love me a big slouchy bag. So thank you for joining today's session on unboxing the Coach Empire 40. We will be doing a couple other sessions. The next one is going to be finally the aforementioned Aloe haul that I've been talking about for so long. So we'll be doing the Aloe haul, as well as you'll come with me on my retie for this month. So you'll be able to see what it takes to maintain my lovely sister lock. So you'll come with me on the retie, and then we have a naked wardrobe haul that is also going to be coming up, and the latest drop from H&M. It is these luxurious caftans, and just it has almost like an Arab essence to it, as well as they have a couple of other items that I've purchased. So we'll do a H&M haul, and so those are what's coming up on the channel. So Vibe Tribe, look forward to walking through those items with you. As always,